see his first meal. Yeah, that's all he wants. Oh, he's standing. Bây giờ cái gì nhỉ nè? Vô, nó chơi rồi cái gì nó nhận nó rồi nha. Hello. Say hi. Mà cái nó cuốn thì nó nhiễm cho nó nhận có nhiều nè. Đây vừa nhận chè nhiễm mình thôi. Ra nó nhận chè nhiễm. Tụi trên nó khít tiền. Bùa. Nè. Cái này cú tiền rồi. Chúng ta con cú rồi. Vừa lao tể miền chiết tôi hết tàu như phải nè. Này hết tể lao tể miền tôi phải là thì nói là ưu tiên như vậy tự sẽ nói về hiểu miền mùa tại xã chân châu bằng cả châu hay dùng khu ta này nhìn liềm mà mới phải lấy chẳng cho nên là nhìn liềm mà sàn tê cho nó cái nhiều chưa này giờ nó chung tiền cho nó nhận đây nè giờ chúng chẳng á mua mà cá chia tiêu tao mà lố tiêu bữa bây giờ chúng mới say hai nên bữa tiêu hai là tệ miền bằng nên bữa giờ chia tiêu mua nhá thiếu mua mà cá na là tệ miền chia tiêu phải mua bằng cá na chia tiêu hết tao tạm bữa chia tiêu tệ nhưng phải là bữa chia tiêu vô mà cá na tao mà ta mang lô tiêu mà chia tiêu tao chứ phố cá na vừa cho chia dùng cái đó nhận nó cho nên cá như hát đỏ chúng ta cho phải chơi nữa nhận nữa cho ta hết cái này đâm để cái này hết trên đây nhận ra được hiểu hot dog này hot dog cho nên mình có chuyện vừa là tệ tôi nhận khởi động phân nhưng phải nói khởi động phân nè đi vừa như nó sẽ nhận hết giảm số cái này phần siêu nữa khởi động phân phần siêu thong từ này những chuyện chạm sờ đó là bị cản trở được tâm đang họ để quan sống vừa miền qua đấy miền qua là vừa quên đấy này này có thể dùng cái này để có mà dùng cái này cho là hắn vừa đầu hắn và những cái nhìn lọt trên lên thành con là ngay một cỏ lòng tin lên sành tạ lòng phiếu phần sinh về hiện tại nhưng mà công nhân lùm này Đấy, là phải miền chiết túp tiền là na tí ta na. Mất chai một cái na tao. Chai cái na tao. Ồ, á, tao vào. Để yên con vừa. Mà cán ta cái này sợ nhận rồi. Nặng lên này. Đó là say hi to his family hả? Ok. Đấy thì hiện YouTube là mình cũng bảo là thì nóiที่อ้อที่อยู่นอนหน้าจริงธรรมดานอนหน้าจะหลงเสียวชงนี่ก็อยู่นี่ก็นี่ตัวเด็กไปโกงกันนะยืนช่วยที่อย่างหาซิโกงยังเกิดว่าไงแล้วสุดท้ายThen see you back. See you back. Say hi. Magkado hi cute. Oh, cute girl. Singing yan. Good boy. What's up, sir? Suk sabay. สบายดีแต่ก็หนึ่งวันแย่เลยยังได้กินเหยียดปีนี่หยันแล้วนะแต่ก็หนึ่งวันแย่nhiều cái nhiều tiềnกันนะโอ้หยันบุเมียนกว่าสอดเช่นว่ากว่าต้มสอดเช่นอะไรก็คู่เลยนะนักแข่งพิษโอphải chơi thì bố mẹ sao tụi mình yếm thì bố cần như này sek khát tao em mặc rồi thì bây giờ phong thì phải chơi cái xe chơi trên đó bà sek như mình mặc như mà mặc như say hi to people in Laos say สบายดี say สบายดี say Spidey! Louder! Huh? He's Korean. He's a Korean boy. Yeah. What's up? Giờ live ta live phim thảo. Sắp John, hey John, no. John, stay here. Come on. Come on, John. Say hi. Come to eat. Bag of money. Oh, they're not terrible. They're not terrible.
Whoa!
I thought they were tiny.
There is some tiny one.
Oh, they're not bad. Nice. Chị muốn nhẩm cha. hot at night.
Mà chiều video của chương trình chiều quá. Không trở lại.
Lúc đọt giang để phải tắt. Bằng cá thì vừa quả tiêu kẹ. Ô, chả làm thật luôn.
Hi. Poland.
And now I know who to rob. Now I know who to rob, man.
Okay, one. Just kidding.
She said she too young, don't want no man. So she gon' call her friends and that's all me. Sushi from Japan. I always wanna kick it, Jackie Chan. Dropped up how we rollin' down on College South Beach. Yeah, look like Candy. Be my dance.
Để vừa cha mình kẹp tiêu luôn. Ngô nhỏ piêu.
I think you got the wrong impression about me back. I admit I'm crazy about that lady.
Hey Nancy, can you take now you can talk back to take your hand.
April.
She said she too young, don't want no man. So she gon' call her friends and that's
Oh,
You should take it. They're not gonna really good. It's pricey, but it's good. Oh, that's like you picked up Lois' house. You saw mine there? Oh my god, I'm not gonna tell
Okay, we did it fine. Đi con quýt tao à? Hả? Okay, Happy birthday. Oh, thank you for coming. Happy birthday. Thank you. Happy birthday. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, it's okay. Okay, thank you for coming. Thank you. Look it up. Where's your other?
Take a picture. We're gonna take a picture real quick.
Yeah.
Take a picture. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Take a picture.
Okay.
Ready? One.
Smile. Sing the song. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday.
right.
Double up the customer.
Please walk tomorrow.
Mark Pro.
I think I'll leave that.
Oh, no, don't move. Look at that. Time to cut. You guys cut it up. And, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And I know you need my money. First time he gets a cake.
Thank you. Oh, wow. Thank you. Thank you. No. Okay.
First time he get a cake. First time he's standing behind a cake like this.
Because you paid for the alarm. Yeah. Remember you paid for the alarm. Hey, you take my dollar then.
What? You give him $1?
I mean, what? What's money gonna make you? Thank you. Yeah, thank you for coming. Who's the professional? Okay.
Somebody will cut the cake.
Okay.
Yeah. This guy gotta go take care of this.
But you got nice. Behind you. Yeah, take the scoop. Yeah. Which piece you want? Pick your piece, right? Right. Pick your piece, man. Pick your piece. Piece you want. Pick your piece. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, but she got a lot of love though. That's good. Family, okay? Always remember. Dirty. Clean it first. Clean it first.
Yeah, have to move.
Yeah, look at that. I'm over. Starting the straight line. That was crooked. That's okay. I'm used to it. Yes. Right over. That's it. Bottle, whatever, bottle. I said, who the hell would have big bottle for them?
Con quán. Wow. Wow. Xếp. นี่ซีนงัวเด้อนี่แซ่บนี่
Don't want to try.
ต้นละ80เด้อนี่80 ดอลเขาซื้อ So it's $80 a piece, right?
Those are the Reno ribs. I got to take a picture of that shit.
Yeah, that's hella nice.
Let me get a video too. Let me get him too. Man, look at that, man.
มันเตะออกซะก่อนดังอ่ะมั้งกะถ้าต่อครับฟังกันได้
Oh, nice. Looks good. That was mine.
It take you 2 days to finish that thing. Wow. What are these called?
Short rib.
Huh? Say hi, Jeremy. Say hi to everybody. Rất là phun. Ngồi chơi một bia. Nằm kẹt khu nhớ. Một cũng nhiều quá. Good boy. 3 grills, smoker and grill. This one's smoking too, huh? Yeah. Man, that is nice. Hey, Jimmy, your birthday too? Today's your birthday too? What? Happy birthday. What? How come? In hoa ni chụp say hoa too ni yo.
Happy birthday, Jimmy.
Next year we're having a dirty 30. Jimmy, next year we're having a dirty 30 for you guys.
You like it, JJ? You like it? Yeah. You got blue lips now. Your lips are... It's cute. This fig tree is hella big, the biggest I've ever seen. Ngôi nhỏ điang này lô xuân từ này, những quả chết, lùm na ye, như sẽ khai sản phẩm từ lùm na, mà còn mà lô nó bày tấm quả chết. Đây xin hoa chia rồi, khu nhận có cam thôi.
Yeah, you in the car there. Take out a
Grab the cutting board. You put the beer down. Give me the cutting board.
Man, look at that. Good job, good job. He's a barbecue king now. He used to be me.
This one, then done. Hold two hand, man. That's why I said put it down.
Oh, it's gonna flip.
You gonna drop that shit, fool.
Trust him.
Oh, yeah, that one. No,
That one's already been done. This one done. We're all done except for this one.
going back.
Wow. It's beef, man. You guys should be eating this a long time ago.
Cracky, if you drop that shit, we're gonna jump you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my knee.
Jump
Stop
you,
it, man.
No, my elbow.
Oh, my elbow with a cigarette.
This one not done yet.
Oh, that one done.
Man.
Can't wait.
This one not done yet. Hot.
Yeah.
No, cut it.
Yep.
Yeah, it's really.
I had to use the flies on that one.
Like that before? Never in your life. I've never seen big and thick before.
Why don't you turn his light right here on?
Yeah, rip it. Oh.
Actually, I should have left some meat
Take
on
the
there.
bowl out.
I'm gonna leave some meat on there.
Pull the bowl out.
Hey, don't drop it.
Pull the bowl out.
Yeah.
Dinner.
Can I take this?
Hey, let me make sure it's not poison, okay?
Oh my God, did you just wait for him to finish? May, what the hell?
Okay. It's not poison. It's good.
Ok nhẹ năm nay.
Yeah.
That's cool. Nè.
Rồi, don't do that.
Me.
Don't do that.
What do you buy?
Trái đó à? Ní cho đất rốt à?
Oh, then the meat
Có lời
pretty
đất
good.
rốt à?
Okay.
Nồng thê ạ. Đốc thê nha.
Yeah. Maybe the trade.
I know how you did that, man. Keep me out there.
Honey, you want a bone? You want a bone?
No.
Not today. So all.
Some meat on here.
Careful, Lotus. Careful, Lois.
No, dude. This is the high heat one. I was done quick.
Yeah, I'm Sean too. You ready?
Yep.
Hey, Mary.
Hey, this one we got that.
Mình đã đưa tụt tiền này cho vô.
Up there. You want beer, nigga?
All the way, that's yours.
The name was Pop Quiz. Bad bitches who I fuck with. Mad bitches we don't fuck with.
You want shot?
With them chickens unless they last name is Cutlet. Let it soak in like seasoning. Tell them bitches blow me. Lance even freezing.
Never mind, you're come back and make
Nothing but bad bitches in here tonight. All of you lame, you know it be quiet. Remember real niggas only. Bad bitches only. Rich niggas only. Independent bitches only. Boss niggas only. Big bitches only. I got my real niggas here by my side. Only. I never fuck Nikki cause she got a man. But when that's over, then I'm fucking
You know that today is coming
Nhà mình hay phải bố hút xíu cả. Nhà mình. Nhà mình như con đi chăng đi.
Tell me what you really like.
Come Kevin. Come Kevin.
To fight. Just take it I can see it in your eyes. Nothing but I can feel that shake. And the deep is your legs.
It's okay, drink that, dry later. You dry it.
Set you free. You don't have to rush when you're alone with me. Come in. I feel it coming. I feel it coming.
What? You go fishing? I thought you left with her. You don't allow me all prepped up with this. Hey, he don't get lucky with the quad though. Yeah.
Yeah. Where you going? Say cheese. Say hi. Hi, Riley. Say cheese. Cheese. Yeah. See? That's Riley. Hey, hey, hey. Dạ ở. Dạ ở. Dạ kìa, kìa. Come in. Cho. Mà. Mình tỏi hít tại trăm cả luôn. Chán nhà mai, miên nhà mai. Everybody's here. Lots of friends. Yeah. Yeah.
So we did.
Say happy birthday in here. Yeah. Say happy birthday in here because you guys missed it.
Happy birthday.
There you go.
Many more years come.
There you go.
Birthday.
There you go.
Asshole. Picture.
Happy birthday.
Hey, Uncle.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ufin.
All right. All right.
Happy birthday.
And he's still cooking. He's making crawdads. This is what he's making. This outdoor kitchen. Yep.
Happy birthday, Black man. Been nice. Been around the whole years. Been knowing each other, man. Congratulations. Happy birthday, brother.
Hey, bro. Like ass. Happy birthday, Black. Is it? Happy birthday, Black. Thank you. Good to see all you guys here.
Hell yeah.
Hey, you know what?
That is a shot for him. Man, he got a birthday shot.
No, I was not even around while you poured. What the hell is that? Don't drink. Wait, but what is that?
I didn't pour it.
Yo, that's not pour for you.
I didn't pour that.
There, even.
I looked down as a fool.
Oh, that means I don't drink last time.
Ini dia punya cara. Cakunya.
My name, my first name's combined.
It's supposed to be middle
No.
name.
My name is combined. It's not
Supposed to
separate.
be a middle
Oh,
name.
oh, it's mine.
Yeah, my name is
You have a
combined.
sister? You have a sister? I look at it. You been together?
Is that the self-stick 2000?
Yep. Yeah. I have to make my own. Okay. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Happy
Driving.
Why are you climbing up there? Dry line? Well, I can say it, I'm over here.
I'm standing right there, like, I'm talking like, hey, oh, you good, man, you good. Hang out, I need help. They know what to do. They bring us inside. Man, it took forever to get there.
Hey, buddy, these pigs are good and delicious.
Kids don't sleep, you can leave. And we're gonna leave. Y'all be at home. Make it look like somebody's home.
Four to make 4 to 5. No, like 2 was full shot. No, 3 was full shot. That's yours, man. That's yours. Why you there?
I yell. Okay, every time I take him to take her to driving, I always yell.
What's your plan after selling the woman property?
I surprised Lola got her license, but
But now we're like, hang out with Pa, Nancy, right out. The weekdays, kind of, you know, weekdays definitely people. We do things, we plan things, we do stuff.
Yeah, it's scary, man. No, like,
Where's your Mickey's at?
yeah.
That'd be cool though. We want to get to town. Do you have a lot of family in town?
The headlight, right?
Is that Eric?
Why is the side fender damaged with another headlight?
Out there, it's you guys only, right? Do you have any other family members out there?
But the side fender is messed up. All the good luck come to us, all the bad luck goes
That's a
to
big change then.
your sister.
Are you gonna be okay? Having neighbors,
All
oh.
the time. New car, man. New
But
truck,
I
man.
get it. Out there, you get a lot of privacy.
All the time,
I
man.
love privacy.
That's the reason.
But I feel like that about
That's why
I don't think it'll be a big difference. Moving here, 'cause I'm a private person. My neighbors, we don't really talk right yet. But they got, hey, people around here, they old, they were retired. Oh yeah. El Grove area.
Look at Baka. Oh boy. Come on, get shot. COVID shot. Come get your COVID shot. Sean. Hey guys, time for shots.
Want to take that one? Oh, you got pork. That one. I got pork, yeah. The one that everybody takes out. You hear your mom? Oh, you guys are ready. We ran out of time. Wait.
Open, happy birthday, open. Thank you for coming. Here's getting older and getting better. Yeah, hopefully, Martha.
You got hella control to pass out.
Siêu mê là siêu dày mới.
Mac and Frankie.
Looks like you guys are camping out here. That looks nice. Looks like we're camping out here tonight. It does feel like people are camping out here tonight, huh? Happy birthday, bro. 1, 2, 3. To me. Now you can say it to him. Still partying. Still camping.